Sensor switch, using Arduino. A switch is the simplest and most common type of input interfacing device. An operator can change the state of an input simply by operating a switch or pressing a button. In this tutorial, a tact switch and a LED is connected to an Arduino Uno. LED remains on as long as the switch is pressed. LED will turn off as we release the switch. This is the connection diagram of this project. We have connected the LED's positive terminal with Arduino's pin number 11 through a 1 kilo-ohm resistor. Resistor protects the LED from high current and voltage, so it is also called current limiting resistor. Negative terminal of the LED is connected to the ground pin of Arduino. We have connected a tact switch as an input device at pin number 7 of Arduino. A 10 kilo-ohm pull-down resistor is used to avoid any noise at the input. This is the code of this project. Button state is an integer type variable. It will be used in the program to store the status of input pin. Initially we have set its value to 0. Void setup is a function that we create at the top of each program. Inside the brackets is the code we want to run once, as soon as the program starts running. In this project, we will give high or low signals to the LED, so we will make pin number 11 an output pin. We will read the status of switch connected at pin number 7, so we will make pin number 7 an input pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over, unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Button state equals digital read 7. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7 and store its value in a variable button state. If button state value is high, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 11 and LED will turn on. If button state value is low, then Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 11 and LED will turn off. Now we will write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. After writing the code, we will save the project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code is now transferred to the hardware successfully. Now, we will assemble our hardware. We will take a 1 kilo-ohm resistor and a red LED. Now we will solder one side of the resistor with the positive terminal of red LED. Now we will take two wires, red and black. We will connect the red wire with the resistor and black wire with the cathode or negative terminal of the LED. Cover the joints with insulation tape to avoid any shorting between its two terminals. Now we will take a tact switch. Tact switch has two parts. Both parts has two pins. Both the pins are internally connected to each other. When switch is pressed, then all four pins shorts with each other. Connect a yellow wire at one side and red wire at another side of the switch. Now connect a 10 kilo-ohm resistor with yellow wire. Connect a black wire with another end of the resistor. Cover the joints with insulation tape to avoid any shorting between its two terminals. Connect the red wire of LED module with pin number 11 of Arduino and black wire with the ground pin. Connect the red wire of switch module with 5-volt pin, black wire with ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 7 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. Red LED remains on. As long as the switch is pressed, LED will turn off as we release the switch. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.